Getting rid of foul odors from your garbage disposal and kitchen drain is a snap with Cerama Bryte Garbage Disposal Cleaner. This special gel formula uses safe bacteria to create enzymes that break down proteins, starches, fats, oils, and greases that can cause kitchen drain odors. Here's how to use it. Pour about half of the 16-ounce bottle into the disposal. Turn it on and immediately turn off. Let the disposal sit overnight before using. Then repeat these steps the following evening with the remainder of the bottle contents. For best results, use every 3 to 4 weeks or as needed. If you're having trouble finding Cerama Bryte Garbage Disposal Cleaner at your favorite local retailers, contact us at ceramabryte.com for information on stores in your area.